Hello guys, this is Verma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, it's almost 6th and I am strolling in my yard, in my home's yard. And this is my home's yard, guys. And this is my niece, and this is the full view of my home's yard. So guys, in this video we are going to learn about ins and outs, guys. Ins and outs stands for Hindi, guys. छोटी छोटी बात जानना, guys. So let's take first example. So guys, first example is this. मैं इस गांव की छोटी बात जानता हूँ. मैं इस गांव की छोटी बात जानता हूँ. I know the ins and outs of this village. So guys, let's take second example. So the second example is this. मैं इस कंपनी की छोटी बात जानता हूँ. I know the ins and outs of this company. So guys, final example is this. मैं राम के जीवन की छोटी बात जानता हूँ. I know the ins and outs of Ram's life. So guys, thanks for watching and please like and subscribe the channel, guys. Thanks for watching.